What you got there?
Water in the jar.
Huh. Look at it through the mic. Neat. See that little speck of stuff?
Yeah, it's all
Looks
crooked.
big. Looks big. Wait a minute. Let me try something. See that? The magnifying glass compacts the sun heat. I'm trying to burn a hole through the leaf.
I'm putting a hole for my hand.
Here we go.
Look at the side.
How does the magnifying work? Magnifying glass
Well, I guess it's the way it's shaped. The sun comes into it and it makes it contract, makes it get hotter, but then it gets smaller.
What do you have? I'm gonna try something.
The leaf figures as it goes in the water.
Homemade magnifying. All the part that's in the water is big.
Yeah, it looks more light. And the color looks lighter.
Yeah.
Comes out better.
Look
You
at the
get to
back
see
of it.
more.
It's like
Yeah,
blue.
you get to
Is
see
it the
more.
bubbles? The bubbles get trapped in there. Hey, you guys, come over here. Look how the pencil's broken. You see how the pencil's broken?
Looks like there are two of them.
Look how it's like sliced in half. And when I bring it closer, you can see it's not sliced in half.
Together.
I wonder how it happened. Isn't that neat?
Mm-hmm.
Must be from the sun coming down on the water.
How do you
Let's
know?
more gold from under.
No, but look, when I turn it over here, there isn't any rainbow.
Look over there is.
There is. Look straight. There's no rainbow.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Hey, Tanny!
Hi, you guys. What do you want?
Come on down. Bring your beer.
Okay.
Hi, you guys.
Hi. Look at the reflections in the bumper.
Yeah.
Down here, you're
Yeah,
Now they're shining. Look on this light.
Look at this.
Makes you upside down.
Yes.
Look at your reflection in this car.
Yeah,
Even
it's
though
like
it
a
looks-
mirror.
Yeah, look-
Even though this is this color, you can see it.
Yeah,
in
look in the
this color.
Hey, look at the band over there.
Yeah, come on, let's go.